In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Binance to Payoneer. Before we start, an important note. There is no direct transfer from Binance to Payoneer. The practical method is to convert your crypto to fiat on Binance and have that money sent to your local bank account, which you then manage alongside your Payoneer account. Begin by opening the Binance app or website and signing in. Once you're in, head to Wallet to review your balances and confirm which cryptocurrency you're going to sell. This helps you plan the amount you want to cash out and the fiat currency you'd like to receive, such as USD, PHP, or another supported option. Next, go to Trade or the P2P section to convert your crypto to fiat. On P2P, choose the asset you're selling, like BTC or USDT. Select your target fiat currency and filter for offers that support bank transfer. Take a moment to review rates, payment timeframes, and counterparty reliability. During the sale flow, choose bank transfer as the payment method and enter or select your local bank account details so the buyer knows where to send the funds. Proceed to confirm the trade with a buyer. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The buyer will transfer the fiat amount directly to your bank account using the bank information you provided. Keep all communication and confirmations within the platform for safety, and only finalize the trade once you've confirmed the incoming payment in your bank. Now, check your bank account to ensure the funds have arrived. Once confirmed, move over to Payoneer and log in. If you haven't linked your bank yet, go to Banks and Cards, select bank accounts for withdrawal, and add your bank details as prompted. Make sure the name on the bank account matches your Payoneer profile to avoid delays. Depending on your region and bank, you may or may not be able to transfer funds from your personal bank into Payoneer. In many cases, Payoneer is designed primarily for receiving payments from businesses and partner platforms, and your linked bank acts mainly as your withdrawal destination from Payoneer rather than a deposit source. Finally, ensure your Payoneer account is fully verified. If prompted, upload any required documents so there are no limits or interruptions when you manage your funds. Quick recap. Binance to P2P sale, receive fiat in your bank, access Payoneer, link your bank, and manage your funds accordingly. Remember, Payoneer is not a crypto wallet and doesn't accept crypto directly. And for most users, personal bank to Payoneer top-ups aren't supported. That's the workflow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical finance and crypto cash out tutorials.